Hey guys, Mike's Gettin Greasy Garage, and as I talked about in the last video, I'm going to make this 1969 El Camino, or as I call it, El Crustamino, into a driver and fix up a few of the things on the body, and just so it's all intact. But anyway, I want to get these fenders off and this front nose piece. Some rust here. I don't know. Usually when they start a little hole like that, they tend to grow, but we'll get that fixed. Patch both the fenders and get it back together. So I'm going to set you guys up in time lapse while I take this thing apart, and then we'll come back for metal work. Stay tuned. Alright guys, well, I'm going to go ahead and get this fender off. Got a couple bolts down here to do. Feels like 1, 2. It's pretty crunchy, as you can see. So we'll get them out. I know there's 2 up under through the inner fender well, so we'll leave that in place. And I think there's one back in here we'll get out, but that's in the door seam. I'll put you guys in time lapse for that, and then I'll move you so you can see the rest of the fender come off. So alright, finally got it loose. So, a couple of things here. Got to deal with this antenna and this round wire right here. So, take this round wire off. Look, there's my 5/16 wrench that I was missing. Imagine that. At Christmas. Okay. Alright, there's our body ground wire. There's one fender. Bring you guys over for a look. Okay. Oh, I had to cut that bolt off. It just wouldn't come out. I had to grind that one and one back here. So I'll either put rib nuts or J nuts back in. J nuts are the little clips that slide over. So So here's the inside of the fender. It's still got a lot of the J-nuts on it. So there's our trouble spot. And you saw all the dirt that come out of here. So kind of surprised none of this is really rotted out. I got them bottom two bolts actually to come out. The one up here broke, so I'll have to deal with it. But everything else came apart other than just a few. So anyway, next video, metalwork on a fender. We'll make a patch panel up and weld it in, and then you guys will even get to see a little bit of my old pops doing some body work on this one, on this channel. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you would, please give a thumbs up, like, share, comment. All that stuff helps out the channel, and doesn't cost you a penny. Boy, this thing kicked my butt getting this fender off. So I'm gonna go take a break, get out of this heat. Might get a little bit of rain, it looks like, but we need it here in Western Washington. Yes, we need rain. So anyway, stay greasy, my friends.